All right, guys, step one, once you get to your vehicle, locate your OB port. It's going to be probably around your driver's side legs, and then you just plug this in. Onboard monitoring, O2 sensor, freeze frame, and then you got vehicle, which can find your information. We're not going to show you that. I'm going to load it right now, but we're not going to show you it. Okay, let's see. So it loaded all different information on our vehicle. And let's go back. So if we keep going back, you got all this different stuff. Yes, we're going to exit. So overall, the style, all the packed features, it's nice. I like it. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing Thinkobd 900. So this one is an upgraded version from some of the other ones you guys may have saw that I've reviewed. So we got this and I'm excited to review it. I'm going to show you what it looks like and then go over a couple features and then also test it out for you guys, because I know you guys love when I test it out. So just to quickly go over a couple features here. It's compatible with most vehicles after that might be an error. So this says compatible with vehicles after 1966. I think that's an error. I'm pretty sure that's an error. I think they meant to put 1996. And vehicles with updated OBD2 protocol, reading clear DTCS, turn off check engine light, graphic live data stream for troubleshooting, test O2 sensors, onboard monitor, evap system for emissions, built-in DTC lookup library, no need to search for the DTC definitions. You can view your VIN, CID, CVN, quickly know your vehicle information, support English, French, Spanish, German, Russian, Japanese, Italian, and Portuguese, printing diagnosed data immediately and easy. It says East, but I'm sure they meant easy to read. Compatible with a ton of different stuff. So yeah, let's give you guys my first impressions, first looks. Wow. Okay, I have to first admit that is a really cool style. That is awesome. This is really nice. The style really appeals to me. The buttons, nice and soft, but sleek design. This really appeals to me. And guys, I want to show you the 900 Thinkobd case that came with it. So let me show you guys the nice case that comes with it for safe storage. So this is it. This case works with multiple, it actually works with multiple different readers they have. But yeah, very nice protective case. All right, guys, step one, once you get to your vehicle, locate your OB port. It's going to be probably around your driver's side legs, and then you just plug this in. Once you plug it in, it's going to turn on, and certain features, you're going to need your vehicle running, but most features, all you have to do is turn your key to the on position. So like this, put your key in, and then turn it to the on position. So the on position is right before it starts, but your vehicle's not running. For certain features, you're gonna want your vehicle running. Okay guys, so it seems to be that the cable is long enough, so that is a plus. Let's go ahead and do some stuff so you can diagnose, and it goes through a whole bunch of different things. Now, since we don't have a check engine light on this vehicle, it's probably not going to come up, but if you do, it will show, and it will go through your system, and then you can erase codes, you can read codes if you have any. So here, there probably shouldn't be any. Yes, there's none. But if you do, you can read them, erase them. You can do I am readiness, which pretty much lets you know if it's ready for inspection. So it goes through all this different stuff to see what passes and what fails. If it fails, it should have a little X. If it passes, there should be a little green check mark. If it's not available, it will be a circle, gray circle. You press the back button here to go back. So as you guys saw, sometimes if you have an issue, you press and hold the back button if you have an issue. So you got data stream. Now for data stream, you're gonna want your vehicle running. And then you got evap system, onboard monitoring, O2 sensor, freeze frame, and then you got vehicle, which can find your information. We're not gonna show you that. I'm gonna load it right now, but we're not gonna show you it. Okay, let's see. So it loaded all different information on our vehicle. And let's go back. So if we keep going back, you know, you got all this different stuff. Yes, we're gonna exit. Now you got diagnose, which we just were in, IM readiness, review, look up, info, setup, help, print. So we do setup. You can do language, unit of measure, record mode, and beeper. So overall, there's a lot of stuff you guys can do. And again, vehicle information, not going to show, and different stuff. But overall, it is very nice. Works great. Like, you can review everything that you've done. So we clicked review, and it's probably loading now. As you can see, when this isn't green, so that means it's loading and it's processing and bringing everything up. So once that turns green, this little bar here, it's hard to see right here, but that will turn green then. So overall, the style, all the packed features, it's nice. I like it. And of course, we can't forget the case. Check that out, guys. Fits perfectly, and you can put stuff up inside here. You can still fit more stuff down under in there. Overall, absolutely love it, guys.